Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to set up GA4 e-commerce tracking using Google Tag Manager step by step. So, if you are running an e-commerce business, understanding how people interact with your website is extremely important. Like, where are your visitors coming from? What products are they looking at? What are they dropping off before completing a purchase? Without proper tracking, it becomes really hard to understand what's actually happening on your website and where you need to improve. That's where Google Analytics 4 becomes very powerful. GA4 helps you understand the full user journey from the moment someone lands on your website to the moment they complete a purchase. With the right e-commerce tracking setup, you can identify what's working, where users are dropping off, and what you can improve to increase your conversion. If I show you, then you will understand. You can see here there is a business GA4. This GA4 is connected with this website. If I show you on thing like last 40 days, how many people come from their like ads or directly, and what is the total users, and what is the engagement rate, what is the bounce rate. Basically, they just install the new checkout page. That is why you can see here I have created this one to see last 14 days data. Let's see from Google, this user come and this is the bounce rate and lots of them. I mean, total bounce rate is 71%. So there are lots of things that you can actually understand with this kind of report or this kind of data. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding how to track your geo for e-commerce data properly. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you this setup for Shopify. But if you can understand these things, then you will be able to start for any kind of website. So for Shopify, first of all, we need to set up the data layer. And if I show you from the Shopify dashboard, if I click on settings, and here you can see custom events and custom picture. Then I already use here some codes, and by using this code I actually enabled the data layer. So my data layer is enabled. Now I need to create some variables, triggers, and tags. So there are some recommended events as well as variables, so I will create these variables according to this document. Now we need to go to the Google Tag Manager. Here you can see. Now go to the variable section. First variable is currency, so let's copy this value. Then from variable section, click on new and select data layer variable and paste it over here. Copy this name. If you want to give here another name, then you can easily use this, no worries about it. Then value, again new, and data layer variable, paste it here and copy the variable name. And for all of these variables, I have to follow the same way, I mean data layer variable. So to save the time, I'm going to show you this faster. So yeah. Okay, my data layer variables are created done, but I would like to mention one thing. The thing is I have created all of these variables based on my data layer, and if your data layer is different, then you need to change this value. It depends on your data layer. However, now I need to convert our items added to GA4 schema because here are some limitations and rules for GA4 schema. So let's copy this code first. Click on new, then custom JavaScript and paste it over here. And from here, just call your items variable. Well, so variables are done. Now I need to go to the triggers, new and custom event. The every event I will create based on my data layer. So it will be custom event and then view item. Again, new and custom event. Paste it here. Then add to cart. Now check out. Now last one, it is purchase. So our triggers are created. Now we need to go to tags. Now here you can see the events as well as the recommended parameters. Here you can see. So since this is a Shopify store, so for Shopify, I need to send some extra parameter like page location, page title, and referral. So to collect this, you can easily preview the GTM first. Here you can see page view event is fired, and if I just create from here, like page location, page referral, and page title. So just to go to the variables again new, and get a layer variable. So page location, save, again new, data layer variable, and then second one is title. So this is the title. Now the last one is page referral. So this is the page referral. Save. Let's go to tags, click on new. Then from here first, I have to connect the Google tag. Just click here. If I go to the variable, then new, and from here select the constant, and it will be the measurement ID. So to collect this measurement ID, you need to go to the analytics, and here you can see in the bottom corner, left bottom corner, admin. Just click here and data stream. This is the measurement ID. So just paste it over here. Okay. So under the configuration setting, just right here, send page view, and it will be false. And click on new, analytics, then event. Now measurement ID. This is the measurement ID what we just created few times ago. Here you can see this is okay. And under the event name, it will be like if I go to the document, page view, copy from here. Yep. Under the event parameters, we need to send 3 parameters. The parameters are page location, page title, then page referrer, and need to call the value. Okay, from the trigger section, select the event page view. Okay, nice. Just write your name. Save. Now again click on new, then Google Analytics, event, measurement ID, then event name, it will be like view item. Under the event parameters, first of all, need to add these parameters. And now currency, then value, then it will be items. This is the last one. Okay, nice. And write the value. And let's change the trigger. It will be view item or view content. Yep. Let's save. Now we need to create the tag for add to cart event. So to save the time, I'm going to copy this view item tag, but I recommend you to do everything manually. So just copy this one, and the event name will be add to cart. Then change the trigger. This is the add to cart. Let's save. Now begin checkout. We can do the same thing. Just change the trigger. Save. Now purchase. I will copy. Let's copy this name. And we need to add some parameters here. If I show you, then you will understand. The currency will be added here. Then value is also added, and items. Now transaction ID and coupon, shipping, the trigger. It will be this one, purchase. Let's save. So our tag, triggers, and variables are created, done. Now we need to test. To check everything, just click on GTM preview, connect. You can see here it's connected. If I go to the tag assistant, here you can see the page event is fired. And I also need to go Google Tag Manager debug view. To go here, just go to Google Analytics dashboard. Here you can see in the left bottom corner admin. Just click here. From here scroll down, and under data display, debug view. Okay, let's view a product. View item event is fired. This is the data. If I go to analytics form, here we can see view item event is fired. Let's add to cart. There you can see purchase event is fired, and this is the purchase data. If I show you the transaction ID, this is the transaction ID for data layer. This is the transaction ID. That's great. If I go to analytics store, here you can see begin checkout and purchase. I have made begin checkout event 2 times. That is why it's showing double here. And the purchase is the purchase, and this is the transaction ID. This is the value. So in this way, you can actually set up the GA4 e-commerce tracking. If you guys need any help with any kind of tracking, then feel free to reach out me again. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.